Guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best budget action camera on Amazon. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have AKASO Action Camera. This professional 4K 30fps and 2.7K 30fps video with 16MP photos at up to 30 frames per second for incredible photos, which is 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. This AKASO EK7000 action camera is Wi-Fi enabled. You can connect the action camera to your smartphone or tablet. The app helps to preview and offload your contents and brings great convenience to social media sharing. This AKASO EK7000 action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries. Each battery can record up to 90 minutes. At number 6 we have Dragon Touch Action Camera. You can place your camera into the waterproof case and securely fasten it. You can dive below 30 meters. This underwater camera is ideal for water sports such as swimming, surfing, diving, etc. This underwater camera also comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries, charger, and accessories which available for most action camera, even GoPro. This professional 4K/30fps 2.7K/30fps 1080p/60fps video and 16MP photo resolution enables you to capture exciting moment for you. This action camera also features zoom range from 1.0x to 4.0x. At number 5 we have DJI Action Camera. Osmo Action's dual screens allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear hyper-responsive display. This durable versatile action camera is jam-packed with advanced technology that lets you spend less time worrying about equipment and more time living the action. Osmo Action is waterproof at depths of up to 11 meters, making it the perfect underwater companion. At number 4 we have GoPro Action Camera. This shoot-stunning video comes with up to 5K resolution, perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in. A new larger rear touchscreen with touch zoom on Hero 9 Black and a dazzling new front display makes for easy framing and intuitive camera control. It has live stream in 1080p on social, get hyper smooth stabilization as you broadcast. You can experience the ultimate smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization ever. At number 3 we have GoPro. This is Hero 8 Black, the most versatile unshakable hero camera ever. A streamlined design makes it more pocketable than ever, and swapping mounts takes just seconds. And with the optional media mod you get ultimate expandability to add more lighting, pro audio and even another screen. The reimagined shape is more pocketable and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. At number 2 we have GoPro. At number 2 we have GoPro Hero 9 Action Camera. Its shoot-stunning video comes with up to 5K resolution, perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in. And with Super Photo, Hero 9 Black can automatically pick all the best image processing for you. A new larger rear touchscreen with touch zoom on Hero 9 Black, and a dazzling new front display makes for easy framing and intuitive camera control. At number 1 we have XTU Action Camera. The Action Camera 4K video of the S3 record in native 4K/30fps Ultra HD resolution. You can film your adventures to view later, capturing footage to share with family and friends. The Action Cam comes with a rechargeable 1350 mAh battery of up to 120 minutes. It supports an external power supply while charging and recording. The Action Camera has a front-facing screen that is perfect for vloggers. That's making it easier than ever to record yourself and produce incredible content for social media. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best budget action camera on Amazon for your need.